So I want to share with you this yummy king prawn sauce. It is not for the faint-hearted. It is super spicy but super yummy. Let's go. So I start off by chopping my onions, and you can chop them into dices if you prefer, but I wanted everything in slices. I chop my onions, I chop my ginger, and I chop my garlic. Now I'm cutting on a chopping board, but I'm also putting newspaper underneath, and I love this hack because once you're done with all the trimmings and everything, you literally just wrap it up, which you'll see me do, and pop it in the bin. Easy peasy. I added 1 whole habanero pepper. If you don't like yours too spicy, please only add half or even a quarter. I wanted this to be spicy. I then went in and chopped up my peppers, and I used green and I used red pepper. Use any peppers you like. And clean up was super easy. Literally wrap up all the rubbish and pop it in the bin. I love this hack. Okay, so let's start the dish. I added in my sunflower oil, let that heat up, and added my chopped fragrantics into the pan. And then I stirred so all those flavors could release into the base of the dish. After letting that saute down for a few minutes, I just added in the sliced peppers, stirred, and also let that sit together and just release all those good flavors. So I then went in and seasoned with some black pepper, a good generous amount, as you can see. And then I went in with some Badia complete seasoning. A little bit of dried thyme. And then Kucharek seasoning, which is a vegetable seasoning. It's so good. And I just sprinkled that on there and then stirred together. And then came back and added some carrot batons as well. So I wanted the carrots on the bit of a softer side, so I just covered that to cook and steam for about 3 minutes. After that, I came in and added my prawns, which I seasoned lightly with black pepper and all-purpose seasoning. I added some lime juice to neutralize that briny flavor seafood can sometimes have, and combined well. I created a slurry with some cornstarch and cold water, added that just to thicken it a bit, and covered to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it was looking, absolutely delicious. I served mine with rice, as you will see, but I had a thought while I was making this that this would go really well with some tacos, so you could also use this for tacos. Once it was done, I just plated this up with some jasmine rice, and literally that was all. It looks absolutely amazing. I also added sesame seeds for some extra fiber and paired it with some corn. This recipe is so easy, it's yummy. If you enjoy the firecracker from Wagamama, you'll like this. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, guys.